This tutorial shows you how to remove the Force Close option from your taskbar's right-click menu. First, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. After that, click on System from the left side menu. Let me show you. From there, click on Advanced from the list of options. At this point, scroll down to the Taskbar section. In the next step, turn off the toggle next to End Task. Following this, close Settings once the toggle is turned off. Once done, right-click on any app icon in the taskbar to confirm the option no longer appears. Keep in mind, turning this off doesn't affect Task Manager. You can still force close unresponsive apps from there instead. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to turn the End Task option back on. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off End Task option in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you next one.